Starting your meditation practice, beginner-friendly strategies. Welcome to our guide on starting your meditation practice, where we'll explore beginner-friendly strategies to help you embark on your journey to inner peace and mindfulness. Meditation is a powerful tool for cultivating calmness, clarity, and overall well-being. Whether you're new to meditation or looking to deepen your practice, this video will provide you with practical tips and techniques to get started. Before we dive in, let's take a moment to understand what meditation is and why it's beneficial. Meditation is a practice that involves training your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. It's about being present in the moment, without judgment or attachment to your thoughts. There are many different meditation techniques to explore, but for beginners, it's best to start with simple practices like mindfulness meditation or focused breathing. Mindfulness meditation involves paying attention to the present moment, observing your thoughts and sensations without judgment. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and bring your attention to your breath or a specific sensation in your body. Focused breathing, also known as breath awareness meditation, involves bringing your attention to your breath as it flows in and out of your body. Notice the sensation of each inhale and exhale, allowing your breath to anchor you to the present moment. No matter which technique you choose, consistency is key. Aim to meditate for just a few minutes each day to start, gradually increasing the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and approach your practice with curiosity and compassion. Thank you for joining us on this journey to starting your meditation practice. We hope you found these beginner-friendly strategies helpful in cultivating a sense of peace and presence in your life. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more mindfulness tips and techniques. And remember, the power to transform your life is within you. All it takes is a moment of mindfulness. And remember to click the link below this video for more help with starting your meditation journey.